Hey guys, so today I'm here with a quick review and demo of the new QUO Spring 2018 collection. They've released some really gorgeous products this season, and QUO always kills it with their packaging. It's so stunning, and they have really great quality products for drugstore prices. So I have quite a few things. They've released a ton of nail polishes this season. They have some fun face palettes, and everything is kind of, when I look at it, I think of very like whimsical, ethereal, space inspired. So a lot of shimmer, a lot of really cool shifting colors. I'm kind of going like this, showing you guys my paws because I've got one of the colors on today. But yeah, so whimsical, ethereal, fairy, and kind of space-like really cool metallics, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So I'm actually going to start with some of my favorite things that I have in this collection, and that's the liners. So they released 3 metallic liners with this collection. These are $12 each. So they have a rose gold, a gold shade, and then they have this shimmery kind of, it's a black shade, but then it has blue shift and sparkles. I really like these. So I have the rose gold on my lower lash line today, which you guys will see in the demo. Then I use the gold to highlight on my inner corners, and I really like that. And I'll do some swatches here. So there's the gold, very pretty. Then this is the rose gold, very stunning, a nice warm rose gold shade. I love that. And then the black with the blue shift. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the rose gold and the gold for sure. And if you're looking for a new black liner, I think this one's great too. I just don't use black quite as much. But this one is called Black Steel, and then the rose gold is Petal to the Metal, and then the gold one is Bling. Then we have these stunning palettes that they've put out. So we have the eyeshadow palette, we have an eyebrow palette, and then we have a face palette. So I'll start off with the eyebrow palette first. They usually release this one in the same shade every season. I do wish that they'd kind of expanded a little bit, because I think that the eyebrow palettes are some of my favorites that QUO comes out with. So first off, the packaging is gold on top and a baby pink on the bottom. I think that's super pretty. So inside you get the dual toned powder. So you get a light brown and then a cooler, darker brown. You get a highlight shade, and then you get the brow pomade. So yeah, this is like a tinted brow gel that keeps your brows in place. And then you get the spoolie and then the eyebrow brush. This matches me really well. I like to mix these 2 shades, and as you guys will see in the demo, I use powder to fill in the front of my brows. Just because I like to be more precise with the tails of my brows, so I always use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. But I do really love these powders. And then the highlight is a gorgeous champagne shade. There it is right there, very pigmented, so I use that underneath my brows. And then the brow gel is great. It keeps your brows soft. It doesn't leave them crunchy. You can't really see the color, so I'm not really sure why it's tinted, but I use my finger and just kind of pat it in my brows, and then I will use the spoolie to comb it into place and kind of evenly distribute the product, kind of like I do when I'm spraying stuff in my hair. So I'll brush it on through with my hairbrush. So yeah, I have a bunch of these and I use them a ton. I love them. Then we have the eyeshadow palette, which this is my favorite packaging, but I think it's my least favorite product of the bunch. I have these really pretty, this gorgeous color selection. This really popped out at me at first. I think that is stunning. Then they have the matte white, and then there's this matte brown, and this is like a matte coral peach shade. And then the only shimmer in here is this kind of cool toned taupey brown, and it looks like it has like kind of a purple shift. And I was super excited with this when I opened it up. I thought the colors were really cool. And in the demo, you can see me popping this one all over my lid. And then I was gonna do this one in the crease, but I had a hard time blending them out. So I ended up covering up this shade with the shimmery brown here, but I find that it just kind of all muddied together, and I didn't really like the way the look turned out. And then we have the face palette, which comes in this gorgeous silver, and then inside you get this gorgeous selection of shades. So they have 2 versions of this as well, and they have 2 versions of the eyeshadow palette. So in this one is $20, and I have the shade Glowmance, but it also comes in Golden Girl. So it says that there's a cool and warm toned version of these palettes, and it comes with the highlighters, blushes, and bronzers. So in this one, I think I have the cool tone shade. So it comes with 2 versions of a highlight, 2 matte blushes, and then it comes with a matte bronzer and then a deeper shimmery bronzer. So I use these 3 today on top. I love this highlight. It's giving like major glow. I think that's super pretty. I love this baby pink, especially coming up for the springtime. I think that's stunning. And this bronzer is super comparable to Benefit's Hoola Light. And then I think this would have to be a tie for my favorite from this collection between the liners and this. This is super gorgeous. So this is a clear base lip gloss with bright pink reflex, which I think is super cool. And first off, this smells like cake. It's delicious. Like, seriously, I want to eat it. But I think that this is like one of those shades that'll shift and change depending on what you have on your lips. So when you put it on, you immediately see like this bright pink shift, and I think that it's gorgeous. And yeah, I'm gonna be carrying this around with me everywhere. So this one is $10, and I would highly recommend. I think that it's stunning. Then also part of this collection, they have the QUO Metamorphosis Spring Brush Set. So that's $60. I don't have this here to show you guys, but you guys know how much I love QUO brushes. I think they're amazing, such high quality. So this brush set is stunning. It's rose gold and silver and gold brush handles. Then I'm gonna move on to the nail polishes. So these are part of the spring collection. So these are the QUO by Orly polishes. Look how amazing those are. Oh my gosh, aren't they like this color story? I can't get enough of this. Like, they're stunning. And these are so nice on. They apply really great. I've had this on for 4 days now, and I love the way it's still holding up amazingly. This was a 2-coat polish, and then I topped it off with a SE top coat. And I love this. I think this is gonna be so great for spring. The next one I'm trying on for sure is gonna be Metamorphosis. I think that looks amazing. I can't wait to use that one. So if you guys wanna see an up close shot of this one when I first applied it, I have that up on my Instagram, so definitely go check that out. It's at makingupashlee, and let me know what you think of the shades. And then QUO by Orly also has some new limited edition colors to their collection. So I have 3 of those here, and these are also $10 each. And these are some, well, there's 2 really pretty jewel tones, which are just catching my eye. So there's Secondhand Jade, which is a stunning jade color, super deep, dark jewel tone, which I love. This reminds me of one of the first OPI polishes I ever bought, which I don't have anymore. Oh my gosh, I can't remember the name, but I loved it so much. Here today, Aragon tomorrow. That's what it was. And that was such a beautiful jewel tone emerald. And then we have Stiletto on the Run, which is a gorgeous red. And then we have this gorgeous shade in Silken Quartz. So this is like a metallic light pink, and it has some silver shift to it. Last but not least, we have a couple of the QUO by Orly Breathable Treatment and Color Polishes. Yeah, these help strengthen your nails, which I think is awesome. It's always nice to have a treatment in a polish. And these are their new shades for 2018. So they've released 8 with this collection, and I have 2 of them to show you guys. So we have Sweet Serenity, which is this pink jelly color. And then we have Detox My Socks Off, which is this really pretty blue. And I think that's another one that's gonna be great for Easter time. Can't wait to wear that. So yeah, that's everything I have to show you guys today for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video, because it really helps my channel a lot. And let us know in the comments below if you're going to be picking up anything from this collection, and what do you think of this collection? Have you tried any QUO products? What do you think of them? And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at makingupashlee, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Bye!